Hey, it's Gina with WTI. When the man in your life takes a trip, does he pack all his toiletries into whatever grocery store plastic bag is hanging around? Well, that's what mine always does, but now he doesn't have to because I got him this amazing customized bag from Xpanrous. We love the size of this bag. It's able to fit all of the stuff that he has to take with him now. And of course, that means he knows exactly where to find things. Not in my bag, in his own bag. So this is totally customizable. I love that they have different fonts you can choose from, different styles to choose from, and colors of the bag. This is made out of PU leather, and it's a nice thick material. We even took this camping with us, and one of the things I like about the design is it has this hook on it, and so we were able to hang that on the side of the tent. This makes such a nice, personalized, thoughtful gift for someone. I think you're going to like it as much as we have, and that's our point of view.